Introduce highlight features and overview summary of Barsetto one-touch stainless steel automatic espresso coffee machine. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. Choose between a 1.5 ounces, short or 3 ounces. Long shot and start preheating and brewing with the touch of a button. A 19-bar high-pressure pump delivers delicious aromatic espresso with a velvety thick crema. Preheat the 0.7 liters capacity water tank and dispense your first shot in under 45 seconds, then brew up to 8 additional shots with no waiting. Removable drip tray and used pod storage compartment are dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. Compatible with Barsetto, Espresso Original line, and other standard espresso capsules for endless flavor possibilities. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.